Hello, mattress makers and comfort connoisseurs. Welcome back to the channel where we dive into the world of all things sleep related. Today's episode is for all your pocket spring enthusiasts. We are gonna be talking about a secret weapon, non-woven fabric. Now, pocket springs are fantastic for providing a so dreamy individualized support. But did you know there's a way to take them to the next level? Enter a non-woven fabric. This might sound fancy, but it's actually a lightweight, breathable material that acts like a superhero for your pocket springs. Here's why. Number 1. Silent support. Non-woven fabric helps prevent those annoying spring squeaks and creaks. No more waking up your partner with every toss and turn. Number 2. Friction fighter. It reduces friction between springs and allowing them to move independently for the perfect contour to your body. Number 3. Breathability booster. This fabric lets air flow freely through the mattresses, keeping you cool and comfy all night long. See the differences. It's a game changer. But how do you actually use this magic fabric? Don't worry, it's easier than you think. First, grab your non-woven fabric. Look for lightweight polypropylene option specifically designed for pocket springs. Cut the fabric into squares slightly larger than your individual springs. Now, here's the fun part. Encash each springs with the fabric. Think of it like putting on a tiny superhero cap. Use the heat sealer to create a clean seal around the edges. And that's it. Now you got supercharged pocket spring ready to deliver the ultimate sleep experience. Use different color fabrics to add a fun pop to your mattress innards. Of course, safety first. Always follow the instructions on your heat sealer and be mindful of hot surfaces. Hey, we all make mistakes, but with a little practice, you will be a non-woven fabric pro in no time. So, what are you waiting for? Give your pocket springs the upgrade they deserve. Leave a comment below and let us know how your non-woven fabric adventure goes. Until next time.